From Left Side, Right Side Games, I'm Artie Q. Pebbleton, and this is Talking Points. This week, we're talking turkey. This expression means to speak bluntly or get right to the point. So, in the 1840s, a story emerged about a pair of hunters from the colonial days of North America. One of the hunters was a white settler, and the other an American Indian. Now, they were dividing their spoils. They'd bagged 4 crows and 4 turkeys, and the settler was trying to unload the crows on his Indian partner. The settler goes, "All right, you get a crow, this crow, another crow," and the Indian says, whoa, let's talk turkey. Did this happen? Pretty certainly not. Now, did people tell this story a lot? Oh, yes, indeed. I've said this before, sometimes it doesn't matter if the stories we tell are true, because that doesn't discount the impact they've had on our language. To paraphrase and contort the words of Neil Gaiman, sometimes the map of the place is the place. But I'm not here today to talk about talking turkey. I'm here to talk about turkey. The word. The place. This guy. This is going to take us around the world, so hang on to your hats. We begin in Central Asia because this is ultimately the original source of turkey. The people, the place, the word. Now, when I say the people, I'm being criminally overbroad because there are so many different Turkic ethnic groups and peoples. In the 6th century CE, we have the first written reference to these people as the Gökturks, the Celestial Turks. So, hammer that down. The name of the ethnic group comes first, which influences the name of the eventual country, influencing the eventual name of the animal. Now, after the Byzantines lost the Battle of Manzikert in 1071 to the Seljuk Turks, they began referring to the particular part of Asia Minor that they lost as Turkia, land of the Turks. This name stuck. Now come the misconceptions. Let me first introduce you to a bird called the guinea fowl. Here is one, a helmeted guinea fowl. Good eating. It's kind of cute too. Now, these birds are called guinea fowl because they're from Africa, and the term Guinea, now 3 countries, used to refer to an entire region of sub-Saharan West Africa. It includes parts of modern-day Nigeria, Cameroon, Liberia, Senegal, and Ghana, among other nations, obviously including Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, and Equatorial Guinea, which isn't even on the equator, but if you think I have time to talk about that, you are sadly mistaken. Guinea fowl. They're from Guinea. However, when they were imported to Europe, they went through Turkey, and English-speaking peoples therefore called them turkey fowl. Fast forward to the American colonies circa 1760, when the American wild turkey is finally taxonomized. Given its scientific name, it is misidentified as a type of guinea fowl, or turkey fowl. So they call it a wild turkey. Indeed, the American wild turkey shares part of its scientific name with the helmeted guinea fowl, even though they're not actually that closely related. But now you're probably wondering, what do Turkish people call this thing? They call it a Hindi in Indian, due to the same kind of misconceptions that resulted in naming Native Americans Indians and the Caribbean islands of the Antilles as the West Indies. What the name for the wild turkey is in a given language all depends entirely where the speakers of that country thought the bird was from. The French call it a dinde, short for poulet dinde, or Indian chicken. In Norwegian, it's kalkun because they thought it was from Kolkata in eastern India. The Greeks call it galopula, which means French chicken. And finally, completing the circuit, in Hindi, it's called Peru, like the country. In European Spanish, it's pavo, or peafowl, and in Mexican Spanish, it's guajolote, which descends from the Aztec word for turkey, huexolotl, I think. My favorite has to be the Mandarin Chinese name, though, which is huoji, or fire chicken. Yes, forever. There are many Native American names for turkey, like the Passamaquoddy Nem, which has a pleasant kind of finality about it, and the, please forgive me, Cree Nation word mishiru, which contains at least 2 sounds that English does not. So, to recap. Turkey is a place in Asia Minor full of a people called Turks. These people raised and traded African guinea fowl to Europe, and though they were African birds, the Europeans called them turkey fowl. When the American wild turkey was named by settlers, they named it after a bird they thought it resembled. There you go. Now, there are obviously many other languages that I didn't mention, and I'm sure many of them have words for turkey. So, what do you call this thing? Let me know in the comments. Love to hear from you. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. If you've got a question, you know where to find me, on our website, lsrsgames.com. Thanks for watching, and until next time, laugh, learn, light up your language. I'm Artie Q. Pebbleton, and I'll see you around.